So at ACUA, we are a nighttime landfill. And what that means is that we can't take any food waste during the day because of our proximity to Atlantic City International Airport. So we have a transfer station. The food waste comes in off the trash trucks. It gets stored inside the transfer station during the day. At night, that's then loaded onto ukes. They then take the material up the landfill at night. The ukes are open top. So as they go down the road and as they go across the landfill, you get that spillage, which is what we're picking up that following morning. We used to have a earthen ramp, and that's how the trash was moved. Because of a 16-acre capping project done on the landfill, that ramp got closed off. So now we go up and down our main ramp. It's longer. Looked into a machinery that would help us manage that material a little bit better. There was a Mack truck on tracks that was made for like off-road. That clogged up, that didn't work. There was another heavy-duty street sweeper type machine that was brought in. Again, just clogged up, didn't work. I found the litter picker through YouTube. Found a couple of videos, one on a landfill, a couple others doing some concert cleanup. The litter picker, it's PTO and hydro driven from a tractor. We had a small tractor that was like right on the bottom edge of being powerful enough to run the machine. So that's why we went to the self-powered for the road rake. It's a little bit more versatility as far as like the equipment that we have. We did a demo with it. It went great in the demo, picked everything up. Didn't clog, didn't jam like we had expected it to, like the other machinery that we tried had. So we went on to a full rental. Just speeds up the whole process. We used to spend more time tying up bags, dumping the can back into the truck, putting a new bag in the can, taking the truck and now dumping the truck, and then coming back to where you just had to stop and then restarting. Now we just rake the material into the center. The machine can then just straddle over that line and pick it right up. As soon as that hopper's full, 10 miles an hour, it can run down here, dump, 10 miles an hour, you're right back up top, working in 5 minutes. We used to take maybe 20 minutes. It ends up being a lot of time, of course. And then as far as on top of the landfill with like windblown litter, it's a daily occurrence. We don't have to have 10 guys go out and pick up every piece of litter. You can just drive this machine around with one guy and it does all the work by itself. That time that's freed up because the machine is more efficient allows the laborers to get on projects that maybe they wouldn't normally have time to be on. So that gives them experience and can potentially move them up as well to expand, make the landfill better because of this machine. It just makes it a lot faster.